Good morning, students. Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the continuation of linear equation in two variables. In today's class, there are three. Still now we have solved graphical method. Means we have solved x and y in graphical method. Means we are going to draw the graph and comparing the ratios. We are going to do all these things. But here we are going to do algebraic methods. Do algebraic methods means there are three methods to solve x and y. There are three methods to solve x and y. They are, one is substitution method, cross multiplication method and elimination method. Okay. One by one we are going to discuss now. First one is substitution method. Okay. Linear equations in two variables. This is the chapter name and class 10. No need to write the exercise. Okay. See, still now we are discussed graphical method. Now we are going to discuss the algebraic method. Those are to solve x and y. Algebraic methods. Those are, first one is substitution method. Okay, substitution method. And the second one is elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. Okay, see here. What we are going to do is, initially we are going to discuss about the substitution method. After that, elimination method and cross multiplication method. These three methods are very important. In that, elimination is very important. Everywhere which is convenient and easy. Method to solve x and y. But after doing three methods, we will come to know why elimination method is convenient. Okay. Initially, we will discuss about substitution methods. How to solve in substitution method? How to solve x and y in substitution method? For example, I am going to take two equations in two variables. Two linear equations in two variables. Those are x plus y is equal to 10. Any equation you can take. And x minus y is equal to 5. These are the equations I have taken. Solve for x and y. Means we have to find the value of x and y by using which method? Substitution method. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now what we have to do is, we know equation 1. Equation 2 implies we have to solve for any one x or y value. So x is equal to, this comes to the right side, what happens? 5 plus y. Substitute this means equation 2 in equation 1. This is substitution method. We are substituting this second equation to resolve x in y in equation 1. Means we are taking x value and transferring everything to the right side and substituting this in equation 1 See what happens if you substitute x value in equation 1. So equation 1 implies what? X plus y is equal to 10. Take this equation as 3. From equation 3, what is the value of x? 5 plus y. 5 plus x is 5 plus y is equal to 10. So y plus y is 2y. 10 plus 5 comes to the right side and it becomes 10 minus 5 is 5. So y is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. We got y value. We got y value. Substitute this in this equation to get x. Substitute y value in this equation to get x. We know y. Okay. X is equal. Equation 3 implies x is equal to 5 plus. What is the value of y? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So x is equal to 5 to how much? 10 plus 5. Take LCM 2. 10 plus 5 is 15 by 2. So what are the values of x and y? X is equal to 5 by 2, y is equal to 5 by 2. This is called substitution method. This is called substitution method. This is how we do the substitution method. See here, initially what you have to do, given any two equations, solve for x value from the second equation. Solve for x value from the second equation. Oh, not only second equation, you can take first equation also. X is equal to 10 minus 5, you can take. But here I am showing you the method because the blind method only you are going to follow. That's why x is equal to what? 5 minus come to the right side, it becomes plus. So equation 3. Just take this equation as 3. Substitute this 3 equation in equation 1. Substitute this 3 equation in equation 1. So what is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 10. From equation 3, what is x? 5 plus y. Plus y is equal to 10. So y plus y is 2y. Plus 5 comes to the right side, it becomes minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 and y is equal to 5. This comes to the denominator, that is 2. That is 2. Okay. Next, substitute this y in equation 3, which we have derived from this equation. Substitute here, whichever you want, you can put the y value. Here, if you put y value, it comes 15 by 2. X value comes 15 by 2. If you put y value here, then also the value is 15 by 2. In these three equations, you can put any of them. Y value can be put in these three equations. Okay, any of the three equations. Got this? Shall we pass on to the exercise? Before going to the exercise, take example 6. Take example 6. In example 6, Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirt is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased, and also she answered, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friends to find out how many pants and skirts Champa bought. Okay. What we have to do is we have to write the equations. We have to write the given equations by using given statement. How to write? I will explain now. Okay. Anyhow, if you don't know the pants and skirt, take that as x and y variables. You should take. Write the equations and solve them by using substitution method. Everything is same from first exercise, but solving x and y is the only task you have to do in this chapter. Who is Champa? Champa, I too don't know. Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirt. Okay, she answered. From there you should take she answered. We don't know the pants and the number of pants and number of skirts. So take that as x and y. Take that as x and y. Example 6. Okay. Let example 6. Let the number of pants is equal to x. The number of pants is equal to x. Let the number of skirts is equal to y. The number of skirts is equal to y. Okay. Next, she answered. She said the number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants. The number of skirts. The number of skirts means y. the number of skirts is 2 less than less than means you should take minus, more than means you should take plus. 2 less than twice the number of pants, twice thrice means you should multiply, more than less than means you should add and subtract. Okay, twice thrice means you should multiply, more than and less than means you should subtract or add. Got this? Take this equation as 1. And again she answered also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Similar to this equation. The number of skirts means what? Y is 4 less than means minus. 4 less than 4 times twice thrice means you should multiply, 4 times 3 times 2 times twice thrice once. Okay, you should multiply 4 times the number of pants, 4 times the number of pants. This is the second equation. So now we wrote both the two equations. Now what we have to do? We have to solve. They have point few graphs. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry. 1 second. Oh shit. This is another problem. Let me take this. I have done, I think. This is not substitution. Wait. Example 6 I have done. So go for substitution. This also you can do in substitution method. See here. Let it be. See again one more example. Y is equal to what I have taken? 2x minus 2. Y is equal to 4x minus 4. Do this by substitution method. Okay. Do it by substitution method. Already given y is you can input y also. Let equation 2 implies what we have to take? Substitute equation 2 in 1. You will get the answer. Substitute equation 2 in 1. Substitute equation 2 in 1. We know the value of y. Here we can substitute. Equation 1 implies what is y value? 4x minus 4. Substitute this value here. That is 4x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 comes here. Minus 2x. This goes to the right side. Minus 2 plus 4. Means 4 minus 2. This is 2x which is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. X is equal to 2 on the. That is x is equal to 1. Again substitute this one in equation 1, 2, any equation you can. Y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2. That is y is equal, equation 1 implies 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, like this you have to solve the equations by using substitution. Whatever you want you can substitute, either you can substitute y, either you can substitute x. Okay, next. Passing on to the exercise 3.3. What are the solutions of x and y? 1, 0. X is 1 and y is 0. 1, 0 are the solutions of the given equations. Next, passing on to the exercise 3.3. See, in the graph also, page number 73, that Champa problem, Champa went to sale. What is the solution there? 1, 0. Those two are meeting at a point 1, 0. Those two lines are meeting at a point 1, 0. So that's why we use the substitution method. Still now we used a graphical method. Those two lines are intersecting at a point 1, 0 in page number 73. Okay, now come to the page number 78, exercise 3.3. Now come to the page number 78, exercise 3.3. Shall I erase this? Here I am going to write substitution method. Okay. Substitution method. First question in exercise 3.3. Order the equations. First one is x plus y is equal to 14. X plus y is equal to 14. This is the first question. X minus y is equal to 4. So take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. From 2 what we can do? X is equal to, take this to the right side, what happens? 4 plus y, 4 plus y. Substitute this, same procedure. Substitute this in equation 1. In equation 1. What happens? Now equation 1 implies x value is 4 plus y. Otherwise I will write equation 1. What is equation 1? See, always write 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It will be easy. 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 14. X plus y is equal to 14. We know what is the x value? 4 plus y. Substitute here. 4 plus y. No need of brackets. And plus y is equal to 14. This is equation from 3. From this, see, substitute this in equation 1. What is I am doing here is substituting this x value in equation 1. Okay. Now, 4, y plus y is 2y, which is equal to 14. 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Did you get this? So, if y is equal to 5, substitute this in any of the 3 equations. In any of the 3 equations. I am going to substitute in equation 3. In equation 3. Therefore, in equation 3 implies substitute. I will write below. Substitute y value in equation 3. 1, 2, 3. Any equation you can substitute, you will get the same value of x. X is equal to, what is y? 5. Y is equal to 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Therefore, what are the solutions of the equation? What are the solutions of the equation? Tell me. 9 comma 5. Okay, 9 comma 5. Solve the linear pair of equations by substitution method. By substitution method. Therefore, the possible solutions are. Therefore, the possible solutions are x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Did you get this? All, how many are there? 6 problems. In the same way you have to do. All 6 problems in question number 1. You have to do in this same way. Okay. Next one. S minus t is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3. And s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Shall we solve now? S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to, see here they have given in the fraction form. This one they have given in the fraction form. We have to make it in the linear equation. Okay, we have to solve it and we should write like this. Take this equation as 1 and don't take this equation as 2 because we have to simplify this and write it in the simplified form. They have given the fractions. Okay, take LCM as 6. Do you know how to take LCM? 3 comma 2. Okay, 3 ones are 2 as it is, 2 ones are 2. Okay, if you don't divide the number, keep it as it is. 3 2s are how much? 6. What we have to do is s by 3 into LCM. S by first fraction into LCM. 3 ones are 3 2s are. 3 ones are 3 2s are. How much? Remaining is 2s. Remaining is 2s. If you don't know anything, multiply these two and cross multiply these two. 3 2s are how much? 6. 2 into s, 2s. 3 into t, 3t is equal to 6. Got this? See here, if you want to take LCM of fractions, 3 2s are 6 and cross multiply these two. Add the same symbol. S into 2, 2s, 3 into t, 3t, plus is there, right plus. Okay, if you don't know to take all these things, just 3 2s are 6. 2 into s, 2s, 3 into t, 3t is equal to 6. So this is the LCM. Okay, now 2s plus 3t is equal to cross multiply 6 is the 36. Now take this equation as 2. Now take this equation as 2. See, here already given s. To take s, this is difficult. To take s, this is difficult. So I am taking this equation 1. If you want, you can take this also. So equation 1 implies S is equal to what? 3 plus t. S is equal to 3 plus t. Substitute this in equation 2. In equation 2. So what is the value of S here? 3 plus t. So equation 2 implies 2 into S means 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 2 into t, 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 2 plus 3 is 5t. This 6 comes to the right side, that is 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to 30. T is equal to 30 by 5. T is equal to 6. Understood? Okay, solve for t. This is solve for t. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into t, 2t, 3t, 36. 2 plus 3 is 5. 36. The 6 comes to the right side. It becomes plus becomes minus. And 36 minus 6 is 30. Okay, everything simplification. Now, put this t value in equation 1. Put this value in equation, sorry, take this equation as 3. In equation 3. Put t is equal to 6 in where? In equation 3. So S is equal to get to S value. So S is equal to 9. S is equal to 9. Therefore, T is equal to S comma T. Okay. Therefore, S is equal to what? 9 and T is equal to 6 are the solutions. Understood? Okay. Similarly, we have to solve in the same procedure. We have to solve 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Remaining also we should solve in the same way. Remaining also solve in the same way. Okay. Next. Shall we solve the problem? 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So question is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus y is equal to 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. See, here take this equation as 1. Here if you simplify this, take 3 common, 3x minus y is equal to 3, again it comes, okay, 9 now, 3x minus 3y is equal to 9. If you take 3 common in the right side, if you take 3 common, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, okay, 3 1s are 3 3s are. It becomes 3x minus y is equal to 3, which is equal to equation 1. Equation 1 and 2 are same. Equation 1 and 2 are same. So, if you solve this equation, you will get infinite number of solutions. You will get infinite number of solutions. See here, y value in this. Take y value. Equation 2 implies y goes to the right side, 3 comes to the left side. 3x minus 3 is equal to y, or y is equal to 3x minus 3. Y is equal to 3x minus 3. Substitute this in equation 1. Substitute this in equation 1. What happens? 3x minus 3. Y means what? What is equation? 3x minus y is equal to 3. I will write it again. Substitute, because you should understand. Substitute y in equation 1. What is equation 1? What is y? 3x minus 3 is equal to 3. 3x minus 3x minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 3. See here, minus 3 plus 3 can cancel. The remaining is 3 is equal to 3. We don't get any x value and y value. We don't get any x value and y value. So what we have to do? Only this is a special case. This is not important, and this is only problem is like this. In 6 problems, the only problem is like this. Means you won't get any x value and y value. Why? Because these two equations are same. Because these two equations are same. That's why if two equations are same, then the lines are coincident lines. If they are coincident lines, you will get infinite number of solutions. You are going to get infinite number of solutions. Okay. See, now we'll get which is true. The given pair of equations has infinite number of solutions. Therefore, these variables can be given by. These variables can be given by. It has, therefore, it has, or they has, and that means the system of equations. They means system of equations has infinite number of solutions. Therefore, we should take some values. If you put, therefore, we have, if x is equal to 1, I am going to put x is equal to 1. What happens? Y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 1 in equation 1, in equation 3, which is easy. Y is equal to what happens? 3 into 1 minus 3. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 get cancelled. Y is equal to 0 is the possible solution. Got this? So if any two equations are equal, then they have infinite number of solutions. If any two equations are equal, then they have infinite number of solutions. So we should take any value if you want, any value you want. If you put x is equal to 1, you will get y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 2, 3 to the 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So y is equal to 3. 0, comma 3. Got this? If you want any value, you can take for x because those two are having infinite number of solutions. So you can take any value you want for x. Okay. Next. Next one is 4th and 6th is for homework. I will show you how to do. I will make the equations. You should solve in home. I will give two equations. You should solve it in home. Zero point 2x, fourth question, plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Next, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Is equal to 2.3. So what you have to do is they have given in the decimals. Convert it into numbers. Means remove the decimals. How to remove the decimals? Multiply it by 10. We are having so many methods. Either you can do it. If you shift the decimal to the right side, you will get 2 by 10. If you multiply by 10, otherwise shifting decimal is important and it will help in the future. So we can shift here 0.2, convert this into fraction. You have learnt in 6th or 7th standard. 0.2 can be converted into fraction. If you shift this decimal to here, then you should write 0 in the denominator. 1 will be there, then you should write 0 in the denominator. 0.02. I am shifting one decimal here. Then it becomes 0.2 by 10. 0.2 by 10. Okay. Another decimal here, then 2 by 100. Which you have learned in the 6th or 7th standard. So now 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. This one. No need to multiply by 10. Okay. That is 2 by 10x plus 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. It is 13 by 10. Okay. Next, 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. 4 by 10x plus 5 by 10y, which is equal to 23 by 10. 3. If you shift here, you should take 1 0 in the denominator. See, if denominators are same, numerator can be directly added. If denominators are same, numerators can be directly added. This 10 and 10 get cancels. So what is the equation here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That is your first equation. And the second equation is, these two are equations. Next, 4x plus 5y by 10 is equal to 23 by 10 and 10 get cancelled. So the given system of equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. What we have to do from equation 1 or 2? From equation 1 or 2, derive x value means take x value. So from this equation I am taking 4x is equal to 23 minus 5y. 5y goes to the right side. Okay. What is x is equal to? 23 minus 5y by 4. So in this equation, you will get y value. So in this equation, you will get y value and substitute y here, you will get x value. This is for homework. This one, conversion of decimals into fraction, you should learn because this is easy and it's useful in the future. In all problems you should convert. Next, in higher classes you should know all these basics. Next question. Root 2x plus root 3y. First one. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. And also root 3x plus root 8y is equal to how much? 0. 0. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Derive x value from any of the two equations. Derive x value from any of the two equations. Again, I am taking in equation 2, which is easy. X is equal to what? Root 3x is equal to minus root 8y. Minus root 8y. See, y is not inside the root, it is outside the root. So x is equal to minus root 8. This comes to the denominator, that is root 3y. This is x we got, and take this equation as 3. Take this equation as 3. Okay. Take this equation as 3. Now what you have to do? Substitute this equation 3 in 1. Substitute x is equal to, equation 3 is what? Root 8 by root 3 by in equation 1. What happens? Equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? Root 2 into x is root 8 by root 3, root 8 by root 3 plus root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Take LCM. Let's take this to the right hand side. Root 2 into root 8 is how much? 8 is 16. Otherwise 8 plus 16 by root 3, which is equal to, sorry, plus root 3y is equal to plus root 16 by root 3. Take this to the denominator. Y is equal to root 16 by root 3 into root 3. That is root 3 whole square. Root 16 can be written as 4. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. So y is equal to 4 by 3. Y is equal to 4 by 3. Is this visible? So this is the y value. Y is equal to 4 by 3. What is the y value? Y is equal to 4 by 3. So substitute this y in equation 3. Substitute y in equation 3. What is equation 3? Equation 3 implies x is equal to minus 8 by root 3 into 4 by 3. What is y value? 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3. Root can also be written as this one. 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 into 4. 3 root 2. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 by 3 and root 2 by root 3. This also, root 2 by root 3 can also be written as 2 by 3. Root 2 by 3. I will check whether it is correct, means the solution is correct or not. Right. Equal to 4 by 3. Wait. Sorry. This is not root 8y. It is correct only. Fifth question, right? X is equal to root 8 by root 3. And y to the 16, that is correct. Yeah, this is also correct. Okay. To substitute 0 and y is equal to 0. Let me check this question. Answer once. The obtained solutions are correct or not? 8 by 3 root 2 by root 3 plus root 3 into 4 by 5, which is equal to minus 8 into 2 by 3 root 3, which is plus 4 root 3 by 3. It's not correct. Wait. This should come as 0. Somewhere we have done mistake. Somewhere we have done mistake. Wait a minute. Root 3x is equal to minus 8 root y. X is equal to root 8 by root 3 into y. X is equal to root 3 root y. In equation 1. Oh, here we should take y. Here what is the value? Here we should take y. We left y here. That's why we got the wrong answer. Y we left here. See. Y we left here. So we got the wrong answer. Now, what happens? If you take y common, you will get minus 8 to the 16 by root 3, 8 to the 16 by root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 0. If you send everything to the right side, you will get y is equal to 0. If you send everything to the right side, because if you take y common, there is nothing is remaining. Therefore, y is equal to 0. In these two terms, we have taken common as y. The remaining 8 to the 16. The denominator term is root 3. Root 2 into root 2 also everything if you send to the right side, it becomes, therefore remaining is what? Y is equal to 0. Understood? Y is equal to 0. Put this y is equal to 0 value in equation 3. Put y is equal to 0 in equation 3. You will get x is equals to minus root 8 by root 3 into 0. Therefore, x is also equal to 0. Therefore, what are the solutions? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 are the solutions. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 are the solutions. Sixth question is for homework. What you have to do is, sixth one, solve the fractions. Okay, solve the fractions means I will simplify and you do it. What are the fractions? This is sixth question. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. What I said, 3 3s are, first you have to solve the denominator, means multiply. 3 2s are how much? 6. Cross multiply. 3 3s are 9. Minus 5 2s are 10y is equal to minus 12. 9x minus 10y to 12 5s are 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. So this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Similarly, we have to solve second one. Second one is second question. Second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. What you have to do? 2x, 3 2s are how much? 6. 2x cross multiplication plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. 6 6 get cancelled. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is equation 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That is equation 2. So you got equation 1 and equation 2. To solve these two equations, you will get x and y values. You will get x and y values. So from tomorrow, this is the substitution method. Today we solved the substitution method problems. In the next class, we are going to continue the same exercise, that is 3.3. Okay, thank you.